In today's air fryer series, we are going to be air frying delicious broccoli. This is a great recipe. I hope you guys get on board with it. If you want to check out all my air fryer videos, be sure to click the link and subscribe to my channel. But this one, I am telling you, even your kids are going to enjoy. So let's jump right into it. After we air fry the broccoli, I always like to show you how to turn this into a macronutrient balanced meal that you can start to add into your weekly meal plan. If that all sounds good to you, let's jump right into it. 2 minutes at 360 degrees. Go ahead and preheat. And then we will go over and we will prep up our broccoli to place it in the air fryer. So to begin, you're simply just going to break your broccoli into smaller pieces into the bowl. Again, bite size. They kind of break off the stem in perfect meal prep portions. Now I have the 6-quart Chefman air fryer. So I did about 3 cups of the broccoli. And then I'm just going to drizzle over about, 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle that right over the broccoli. We don't want to overdo it, but we're going to get it coated nicely. And of course, I add in the garlic powder for flavor. Like I said, I don't overdo the garlic on this recipe because not everybody enjoys too much garlic, and I really am trying to make this more of a kid-friendly one. What I like about this being kid-friendly, I get to sneak in some of the gut-healthy components and ingredients, and my kids don't even know that they're in there. Like the turmeric, just a splash. And to activate that turmeric by 2000%, you want to add in the cracked black pepper, a little pink Himalayan salt. We're going to put our ginger in there for the gut health. Again, the kids don't know that all of this is going to work at helping them repair their gut lining. And this is my favorite part. So this is what masks all those other spices. I don't mind the flavoring and the taste of those other spices, but if I'm trying to serve it to my kids, I want to kind of mask those. And the grated Parmesan cheese does just that. Really gives it, just a flavorful Italian taste that the kids are more likely to dive into. So go ahead and be generous with the Parmesan cheese. I know I certainly am. Parmesan cheese is way less likely to cause bloating. It's much gentler than other cheeses on like your gut lining. And as far as, taking care of your gut health, and for you personally, not thinking about the kids, but for your weight loss journey, this is going to be one of the better cheeses to add into your weekly meal plan. So once I've added in all my ingredients, I just go ahead and I toss it gently to make sure all of the seasonings are being coated over the broccoli. Again, that extra virgin olive oil, that healthy fat in there is helping those seasonings all adhere to the broccoli, and it's just going to bring out the best flavor. So once you get it all mixed in and coated, we're going to go drop it in the air fryer basket now that we have it preheated. And like I said, I have the 6-quart Chefman. Remove the basket, just dump that broccoli right in there, give it a little bit of a shake. Make sure that it's all nice and flat. That's going to help it to turn out a little bit crispier. If you're trying to bulk make this, go ahead and pile it up. Just know that it isn't going to turn out as crispy. Place it back into the air fryer and 360 for 12 minutes. So we're at the last few seconds here, and I just want you to see right when it comes out how delicious this is. Oh, look at that. All that flavoring, all of those seasonings fried right into it. Healthy components. Your kids are not even going to know about those healthy ingredients you put in there because the taste of the Parmesan cheese is so delicious. So just to recap, I have the Chefman 6-quart air fryer, and to make the broccoli, you just break it into small pieces. I did 3 cups in the air fryer and drizzle it with the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in your seasonings. About halfway through, I did pull it out and add in a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese, and the smell and the aroma in my kitchen, I wish you were here. It's going to make your family come running to the table. So you saw how easy that was to do in the air fryer to come out crisp, delicious, flavorful. Now to add it together into a macronutrient balanced meal, I just start off with I love this brand, the garlic and olive oil quinoa. Why I love it is because if you've checked out some of my other videos, you know that I am obsessed with the small ingredients back here. And this is what it says it is in the packet. Water, quinoa, roasted garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt, dried parsley, and white pepper. I am okay with all of those ingredients. So go ahead and do half a cup of the quinoa down in the bowl. They cook up so easy. They're so convenient. I know a lot of people make your own quinoa. No problem. Do that. But this is too convenient. And like I said, I'm okay with the ingredients that are on this one. And then we're just going to add in our toppings. We have our healthy fat already in the broccoli from the extra virgin olive oil. And go ahead and do a half a cup of the broccoli. And look, we still have all of this that we can meal prep out, 2 or 3 other meals for the week. That's what I love about the air fryer. And then I am going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of the healthy fat of the guacamole. That's what's going to create that sustainability for us. And it's going to regulate our blood sugar levels and make us feel fuller for longer. And then again, go ahead and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pico de gallo. This is all for flavoring for me. If you've checked out my other videos, you know that I love the pico de gallo, and I think it just adds a little something to all of your meals. It has all the nutrient-dense gut health components in it as well. And for our protein, we are going to add just a little bit of the grilled chicken breast. So put that right on top. And that turns out so beautiful. I really hope that this just inspires you guys to take out that air fryer, start cooking up the single ingredient, and then just build your healthy macronutrient balanced meal around it. But the air fryer can do so much. It's so quick, convenient, and flavorful for the whole foods. Hopefully that my channel is inspiring you to be more intentional about your food choices. Again, I'm Melissa with Healthy Days. I hope that you are enjoying this air fryer series, and I will see you in the next one.